Alright, how's it going? We met this video. I was intrigued today at work. One of my workmates, colleagues, Andy Booth, he did something a bit weird. But I'm going to try it anyway. He had some orange skin. I've got your basic tangerine, satsuma, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And I've peeled it. It looks like that. That's the nice bit. It's the skin and shit. But apparently you can eat it. Can't you? But Alice thinks you don't get very well. You're not very well if you eat it. But I'm just gonna get a go. You go first. Bite it. Chew it. Chew it. What is it like? Put it on.